Hello student. Today we discuss stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. What is the stoichiometry? Stoichiometry means element and metry means measure. So in chemical reaction stoichiometry is very important. If we cook food, we know that a desired amount of chili and salt give a tasteful food. Okay, same way in chemical reaction desired amount of reactant are required to complete the reaction. For example, say a 1 mole of methane require 2 mole of oxygen to burn and produce carbon dioxide, water and heat. Okay, so here 2 is a stoichiometry, here there is nothing, so it is 1. So stoichiometry is important to balance the chemical reaction. Balance the chemical reaction. Okay, methane and dioxygen are reactant, while carbon dioxide and water are product, as we know. Okay, in chemical reaction small g, small s and small l are used to describe the state of reactant and product. Here in above reaction all are in gaseous form, that's why we use z, small z. Okay, if it is there in liquid then we use small l, if it is solid then we use s, and if it is made in solution state then of water, means if the component are made soluble in water then we use aq. Okay, now from above reaction what we say that 1 mole of CH2 react with 2 moles of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of H2O. So from it 1 mole CH4, or we can say 1 molecule of CH4 react with 2 molecule of oxygen and produce 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecule of H2O. In another way we can also say that 22.7 liter of CH4, it is standard volume, react with double amount 2O2 is there in reaction, that's why double of 22.7, that is 45.4 liter of O2 gas gives single amount, that is 22.7 liter of CO2 and double 45.4 liter of H2O. If we use in gram, then what is the molecular weight of CH4 1 mole, that is 16 gram. So 16 gram CH4 react with oxygen 2O2. What is the weight of oxygen? Single oxygen 16, O2 32, and we take 2O2, so that is 2 into 32, 64 gram of oxygen to produce 44 gram of CO2 and 18 into 2 gram of water. So every 16 gram of CH4 require how much oxygen? 32 into 2, that is 64 gram. If we have only 32 ग्राम then only 8 ग्राम ऑफ CH4 आर कंज्यूम, मीन्स अगर हमारे पास 32 ग्राम ही ऑक्सीजन है तो पूरा 16 ग्राम CH4 कंबर्जन नहीं होगा, कितना होगा? हाफ ऑफ दैट इज 8 ग्राम. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दैट things. Okay, now density. What is the density? We know it is mass by volume. Now what is limiting reagent? It is our last point of the unit, limiting reagent. Many times reaction are carried out with the amount of reactant that are different than the amount of required by balanced chemical reaction. In such situation one reactant is more amount than the amount required by balanced chemical reaction. The reaction which is present in the least amount is known as limiting reactant. For example, in above reaction, okay, CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Okay, we know this equation of combustion of natural gas. Here if we have 18 gram of methane and 32 into 2, that is 65 gram of oxygen, then we get 44 gram of carbon dioxide and 2 H2O, that is 36, that is 18 into 2 gram of water. Now if अगर हम इस रिएक्टेंट का अमाउंट कम कर दे, फॉर एग्जांपल 9 ग्राम, if I take 9 gram of CH4 means 1/2 of, okay, then how much oxygen are required? Only half of this, okay. So the weight of CH4 control the amount of product. If I take 9 gram of CH4, half CH4, then CO2 also half and H2O also half, means only we get one H2O, okay. So if I take half reagent means methane, then we get limited product, means the amount of methane are control the amount of product, that's why it is known as limiting reagent. Now last point, reaction in solution. A majority of reaction in the laboratory are carried out in solution. Therefore, it is important to understand as how the amount of substance is expressed when it present in the solution. The concentration of solution are expressed as mass percentage, that is W by W, mole fraction, molality and molarity. Okay, we discuss this in our lecture later. Okay, so now we start with the exercise. So let's start with the exercise. Calculate the molecular mass of following: H2O, CO2 and CH4. So for H2O we know 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. What is the mass of hydrogen? That is 1.0084 and mass of oxygen is 16U. So we get 2 plus 16, that is 18.016U. Okay. Now next, carbon dioxide. So in which we have to take 1 into mass of carbon plus 2 into mass of oxygen. Okay, we know the mass of carbon, that is 12.011U and mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 multiplied by 2 we get 32. So mass of CO2 is 44.01U. Okay. Now CH4. So 1 into mass of carbon plus 4 into mass of hydrogen, we get 16.043U. It is very easy. Now calculate the mass percent of different element present in Na2SO4. So how? First calculate the mass of Na2SO4. So 2 into Na, that is 23, plus S, that is 32, and 4 into O, that is 16. We get 142.066. Now how we calculate the mass percentage of A is equal to mass of A upon total, okay, in multiply by 100. Okay. So mass percentage of sodium Na. So mass of sodium is 46. Okay. 2 Na is present, so 46 divided by total into 100, we get 32.4%. Same way for sulfur, percentage of sulfur is equal to mass of sulfur, that is 32 divided by total mass into 100. Okay. Same way for oxygen, 64 divided by total into 100. So it is very easy to calculate the mass percentage of, okay, just percentage of any compound is equal to weight of that compound in given sample upon total into 100. Okay, weight of that sample means weight of A upon total weight into 100. Now question 3, determine the empirical formula of oxide of iron which has 9.9% iron and 30% dioxygen. So percentage of ion is given, percentage of oxygen is given. So how to calculate the formula? So see here, we know mass percent is equal to weight divided by total into 100. Okay, now find the ratio first. So for Fe 69.9% is given. What is the weight of Fe? 55 point. So divide percentage of that compound with that mass, मीन्स अगर Fe का परसेंटेज दिया हो तो उसके मास से उसको डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो वी गेट 1.25. सेम वे percentage of oxygen is given 30.1, divide it by mass of oxygen, that is 16, we get 1.88 and 1.25. Now we have the ratio 1.25 zem 1.88, it is same as 1 zem 1.5. we have the ratio of 1 zem 1.5. okay, now just double this ratio, 2 1.5 into 2 3, so we have 2 zem 3. So Fe is 2 while oxygen is 3. So we get the formula of that compound by this method. Now calculate the amount of carbon dioxide that could be produced when 1 mole of carbon is burned in air. So first write the balance equation. Okay, that is carbon plus oxygen gives CO2. Okay, 1 mole of carbon required 1 mole of oxygen and 1 mole of produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So first 1 mole of carbon is burned in air, 1 mole if burned, then what we get, what we have to find? See, amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, amount of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole of carbon, 12 gram of carbon burn in 1 mole of oxygen, that is 32 gram oxygen is required to produce 44 gram. So our first answer is 1 mole CO2 is produced. When 1 mole of carbon is burned, 1 mole CO2 produced. So કેટલું amount? 44 gram. Okay, now second, 1 mole of carbon is burned in 16 gram of dioxygen. Carbon is 1 gram, and if we reduce limiting reagent oxygen, if we reduce this 16 gram, then how much carbon dioxide is produced? So we have half of CO2, that is how much carbon dioxide is produced now? It is half of 44, that is 22 gram, half mole and 22 gram. If 2, now third, look, third question, 2 moles, here 2 moles means I have 12 into 2, 24 gram carbon is used and oxygen is 16 gram only. So यहाँ पे कार्बन ज़्यादा है लेकिन हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन तो 16 ग्राम ही है, तो 16 ग्राम को कितना कार्बन चाहिए? सिर्फ हाफ ग्राम. तो हमारे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वही मिलेगा, कितना? 22 ग्राम ही प्रोड्यूस होगा, बिकॉज वी हैव लेस अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. जितना ऑक्सीजन, ये भले ही ज़्यादा हो लेकिन ऑक्सीजन कम है, इसलिए जितना ऑक्सीजन है उतना ही प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. अगर ये 1 मोल है तो ये 32 ग्राम है तो 44 ग्राम मिलता है. अगर ये 16 ग्राम हो गया तो ये भी हाफ हो जाएगा, 22 ग्राम, विच इज एक्सप्लेन हियर. सी, read this. Limiting reagent 60 gram can combine only 5.5 mole, so 22 gram. So in second and third we get answer same. Okay, another example we discuss in the next video. Thank you.